It was a normal day down at the office until she came in. She had a body like a trampoline and the shoes to match. And, most importantly, she had a case for me.
I need your help, please.
I'll just take some notes while you talk.
Are you even listening to me? Are you doodling?
I was not doodling at all. That would be very unprofessional and rude. And as a professional, I don't doodle.
My most prized possession was in my most favorite box, and it has a lock and everything. Do you want to see my box? Here it is.
Did anyone in your house have access to that box, ma'am?
Well, there's only one key, and only me and my husband know where it is.
Your husband is at your house right now? Or
Oh no, he's at work.
where does he work?
The building across the street.
Oh, the poop cleaning building?
I don't like to talk about it.
I'll go talk to him. Don't you worry.